Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to cook a pork tenderloin in the crock pot. And this was actually requested by a few of you. You wanted to see, you know, how I cook in the crock pot and stuff like that. So no, Patches, no. So, all right, here's the pork tenderloin right here. So we'll get this open, okay? Okay, now that I have the pork tenderloin in the crock pot, it was already pre-seasoned as teriyaki. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some teriyaki sauce. And I got this from Aldi's. And I'm going to add just a little bit more in there, okay? All right. And now, I'm going to cook this on low for about 4 hours. Now this is only a 1 pounder. If you wanted to cook it on high, it would be about two and a half hours, just say. And one of the other things that you guys had requested is that you wanted to see how I would cook in a crock pot with my preps. Okay, well, I'm going to use some potatoes that I canned, some carrots that I canned, okay? And also, the pork tenderloin is also something that I use in my preps as well. I have, as you've seen in videos that I've done inventory in my freezers, stuff like that, I do have quite a bit of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cook for about, say, 3 hours. And then I'll add the potatoes and the carrots. And then once that's all done, I'll bring you back and show you what the finished product is. I do have some really great crock pot recipes that I will be sharing with you. But I figured this one was really no crock pot recipe is quick and easy. Well, easy, yeah, but quick, no. But I think we all know that. But I wanted to share this one with you because this is one of our favorites. If there's any other like specific recipe that you guys are looking for, let me know, okay? So let's put the lid on and let this baby cook. We'll be back. Okay, so now we're going to add in our potatoes and our carrots. Oh gosh. Oh, I just spilled the carrot water. I think I might add one more. Oh no, that's good. And then let that cook for about another hour. And then dinner will be done. Dinner is served.